Today we're celebrating the 15-year anniversary of our Cherish Center. So we have members from the community, our district administration, parents, some of our community members that are partners with us for our job sites. They're all here getting tours of the facilities so they can see what our students are doing in the classroom. They can see how far they've come, the different products that they create, and the wide variety of services that we provide here. Everybody's going to get a chance to witness that today, as well as communicate and share with each other, because like I said, we have some of our community partners that are here in the business end, and we have retail, some of our hotel and hospitality, so our students get to benefit from them, but they get to collaborate with each other and see what kinds of things that they're doing in one business that maybe they could be doing with our students in another.
I just want to add that the Cherish Center is an amazing place. There are so many good things that happen here, and we see lives transformed. We see students starting from when they first come in, they're a little shy, they're a little unsure of themselves, and after they've been here with us, even for just a couple of months, you already see the transformation. You see that confidence building. You see the students become more engaged with other students and with their teachers as well. By the time that they leave us, they're young leaders. They're young leaders, and they're ready to go out into the community in any way that is possible for them and is most appropriate for them. We all have different strengths, and part of the goal here at the Cherish Center is that we capitalize on those strengths, and we help those students identify, our students, we help them identify their strengths so that they can continue to have a positive, fulfilling life after they leave here at the Cherish Center.